Small cap epicenter in AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you'll profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Tuesday, December the 21st. I've got three great press releases for you: China, U.S., and Canada. Let's get straight to it. First up, China Armco Metals trades on the AMEX on the stock symbol CNAM. They're providing an update on their metal recycling business. This is a distributor of imported metal ore and a metal recycler. They got a new, according to the company, state-of-the-art scrap metal recycling facility in China. They're saying that they're going to produce and sell approximately 25,500 tons of recycled steel with approximate value of $12 million in Q4 of 2010. I'm going to assume they're working on the calendar year, but I don't want to make too big an assumption. But that should be for this month ended December 31st. The orders have come in from 5 different customers, so everyone's pretty happy about that. A little bit about that facility. They recently launched an 80,000 ton per year shredder and recycler of metals. They've got customers throughout China, and it includes the fastest growing steel producing mills and foundries in China. Great business. Now, here's a point of concern. Closed yesterday $2.89, 52-week high $11.10, 52-week low $2.75. So they're trading right there at the bottom end of their trading range. So you've got to do some research to find out what's going on. However, this is what happened yesterday. We report on WSP Holdings had some big news yesterday. They were trading at $1.04. That was near the 52-week low. Same kind of scenario as this. Closed at $1.47 by the end of the day. So there are opportunities here where you're able to get in at the bottom end because the company puts out something like this. Maybe this is guidance, some that the shareholders have been waiting for, and that's the catalyst to a turnaround. Not a guarantee, but that's why you've got your due diligence, and that's why we're here to give you the lead on these things. Next up, Rockcliff Resources trades on the Venture Exchange on the stock symbol RCR. They've announced an NI 43-1 technical report has been completed. This is for their rail deposit located in central Manitoba in Rockcliff Snow Lake project. They report a cutoff grade of 2% copper. It includes metal grade for copper, zinc, gold, and silver. Here are the numbers: 822,000 tons, 3.04% copper, 0.9% zinc, 9.25 grams per ton of silver, 0.66 grams per ton of gold, and they're saying the rail deposit remains open in all directions. Snow Lake project in this part of Manitoba, very good place to be. A lot of news has been coming out there lately, especially out of VMS Ventures, Hud Bay Minerals. So it looks like Rockcliff's in a great place. Closed yesterday, 19 cents. I like that because it provides a really good opportunity, especially now that we've got a 43-101 on the indicated side of things. 52-week trade range, 11 cents on the low, 33 cents on the high. Market cap looks like it's somewhere in the $12.5 million range. Provides great potential opportunity in 2011. Keep an eye out for this. Do your diligence. Congratulations to Ken LaPierre and his team over at Rockcliff. Continental Gold trades on the TSX big board, CNL, and for our friends in the U.S., CGOOF. Big company, great success, and they keep coming out with more. They announced that they drilled 9.9 meters, 53.11 grams per ton of gold, 110, let's call it, grams per ton of silver, 3.5 meters, about 76 and 3.5 meters of 76.72 grams per ton of gold, and 216.4 grams per ton of silver. This is further diamond drilling results from their Buritica gold project in Colombia. To date, they've drilled 45,000 meters, but this program also includes an additional 60,000 meters of drilling to come in 2011, and that's a minimum. These are monster numbers here. Take a look at the entire press release. They have some really big numbers. If you don't know about the company, they're an advanced stage exploration company, 8 gold projects covering 200,000 hectares in Colombia. That's translated on the share price. 945 is where they closed it yesterday. 52-week high, 1078. 52-week low, list this, $1.89. Continental shareholders are extremely happy, so congratulations to shareholders and the company over there. And that's why you've always got to do due diligence on these other companies we're talking about here that haven't quite taken off yet. You never know when you're going to find next Continental Gold. Finally, Geovic Mining, they've updated the status of the Incomuna feasibility study. Geovic trades on the big board TSX on the stock symbol GMC, and in the U.S. under GVCM. This is their cobalt, nickel, manganese project in Cameroon, Africa. Here's what they have to say. They're updating while updating the feasibility study, they've revealed significantly higher project capital costs. Looks like capital cost plus working capital would be at least $1 million higher. as opposed to the $417 million number that came out in the previous feasibility study in September 2008. So it looks like they'll be closer to $600 to $650 million, not including a processing refinery if needed. That'll add on an additional $150 million. However, about that refinery, discussions with potential offtake partners, particularly located in the Far East, have yielded a high level of interest in purchasing intermediate cobalt nickel mixed sulfide precipitate, MSP. That would not require the construction of a refinery. So the deferral of the refinery decision is being considered, and a final decision is going to be made in the coming months. They're expecting the feasibility study to be finalized by the end of April 2011. We always like to see feasibility studies. You know, I'm not crazy about the fact that they've revealed significantly higher project capital costs, but at least they're communicating that. And they're closed yesterday at 90 cents, 52-week range, 99 cents on the high, 58 cents on the low. So pretty tight trading range there for a resource company, but they are closer to the upper end. Keep an eye out for this. By the way, this is a U.S.-based corporation. They've got 60.5% indirect ownership in the Encamuna feasibility study. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Great press releases for you today. If you're watching this on Globe Investor and looking for more great small and mid-cap resource news, then depending on what page you're on, look below me or to the left of me. Take a look at the companies we report on over the past few days. Otherwise, get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM. 3 things to do there. Watch the show on a daily basis. If you can't, subscribe to it through our syndication partners at iTunes, YouTube, Small Cap Podcast, Yahoo Video, whatever is easiest for you. Moreover, take a look at the best press releases of the past few days right on the front page. And finally, get stuff in the directory. Discover your next great company. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.